Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Patrick from the new Spongebob movie. So let's get started. To draw a cute pirate Patrick, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with two big ovals stuck together. One and then another one. There. So now these two ovals, I'm going to come to the center towards the inner edge more. About right here, we're going to draw another oval and shade it all in. So same thing here. There. And then from there, we need to start to draw his face. So I'm going to come really close to these eyes and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a angle line right next to it on both sides. Right there. And then we're going to, let's see here, we're going to go up. Let's start with the top first. So I'm going to angle this up. And same thing here. And say about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to connect it with a curve. And then we're going to draw the top. We're going to draw this hook of a hat that he has. So about right here, continuing this angle. And say about right here, just round it off. And bring it in. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the hook on top. So right in the center, about here and here. And let's go up and draw this hook. And in and down. From there, let's go ahead and draw Patrick's eyebrows. So right above the eye, so say by right here underneath the hat, we're just going to draw this curve and zigzag it, almost looking like this Z. And same thing over here. And just sticking it up. There. And then we're just going to start to bring this down a little bit more and we're going to widen it out on both sides. And oh, almost forgot, before I do finish that, let's come to the center and right about here, we're going to draw another oval for his mouth. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're about the same height on both sides. Let's go ahead and just connect it with a curve on both sides. There. Okay, so then from there we need to come out. So let's say about right here, we're going to draw a slight angle line on both sides. So about right there. And then we're going to bring this in and curve down. And then as we bring this down, we're going to curve it out to give him this cute tummy. So keep going and say about right here, curve it out. And let's see, keep going, bring it in to about right there. And before we finish that, we need to come back and his shirt is going to end about, let's say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve going all the way across. And then in the center area, we're going to go ahead and draw that patch for his bottom. So let's say about right here. I'm going to center it, but at a slight angle. I'm going to draw this slight curve and then connect it. We're going to pass that to create this patch. There. And then finish it off. And then we're going to need to connect it. So let's come up here, bring in this string, and same thing on the other side. About right here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. Almost forgot, right in the center about here, you need to draw this little circle. And then in the center, put in a dot for his belly button. And then his legs, of course, so nice and simple. So let's say about right here and here. Just gonna angle it and then round it off and connect. So same thing on the other side. So I just want to make sure I'm at the same level. Give myself a point. And connect. And then of course we have the arms. So let's come back up here. We need to draw some sleeves. So right about here and here and connect. And then the arms. So going out, right here, round it off, and bring it in. There. So same thing on the other side. Approximately the same. There. Okay, so then for his shirt, we need to put in some details. So just some stripes. And same thing on this side. And then, of course, his shirt. So we're going to come right about here to draw one stripe that goes right underneath. And then goes right back up. And let's thicken this. And one more bigger stripe at the bottom. So about right here. There. And last but not least, of course, let's put a heart right here. To make this my Just So Cute Patrick from the new Spongebob movie. I really hope you love this drawing and that brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.